Affiliate marketing is one of the ways people make money online. But most times, people worry about how to get good affiliate links that can get to pay them a substantial amount of money by the time they succeed in promoting the affiliate link. So, on this video, I'm going to share with you where you can find links that can pay you as much as $10 per referral and how you can get traffic to promote these affiliate links by the time you sign up.
So the first website is called Plural Sites. This is a site where you get to improve your tech skill or upgrade yourself tech-wise. They teach you a lot of things as regards tech. And if you were looking to get started as an affiliate, you just go down here on the website, you look for affiliate partners. And once you click, it brings you to this particular page. And then you look through it and see how it works. Apply to be an affiliate, promote Plural Site content, earn a commission. And you can see here for free trial, because they have a free trial. If you're able to bring someone that is starting off with a free trial, you get paid $5. Get paid $5 for every person that signs up for a free trial. Now, for monthly subscription, you get 50% of whatever the person purchases. And then for annual, you get 15%. This site is quite cool. So you can target people that are into tech and you can tell them about this site, sign up. The second site is called Skillshare. This is quite popular. This is a place where you get to learn a lot of things. It's not just about tech like the previous one we saw. So you get to learn everything about music, drawing, painting, marketing, animation, a whole lot of things here. You can see people that are teaching different courses and the hours. So it has a free trial and it also has a paid version. So to get started with promoting this link as an affiliate, you go down here to the website and then you see where it says affiliates here under company. Then when you click here, you see become a Skillshare affiliate and how to join. So you come to this place, you see that you earn 40% commission up to $67 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So you see a whole lot of things and how beneficial it's going to be. So you have to go through the frequently asked questions and how the referral payout works and how the Skillshare affiliate program work. Everything you need to know. You go through this. Then if you're very much interested, you have a means of promoting this particular site and their services, then you join here for free and then you fill out the necessary forms. The next website is called Constant Contact. This particular website is very good for businesses, whether big or small businesses, and they help you with the marketing process that can bring you customers to patronize your service or to buy your products. So it gives your email and digital marketing a glow up. So if you're looking to promote this particular website, you come down to the website like you did to other ones, and then you look for affiliates here. Click here, then it takes you to this particular page where you can see how to apply to become an affiliate. Now, how the program works is it is trusted by small businesses, bloggers, entrepreneurs like you for over 20 years. So to get started, all you need to do is just place ads and links to the constant contact on your website. So you get paid, you earn like $105 when they pay for a new account, and then you track your referrals. So it's not just about referring, you should be able to track the referral you're making so that you know when somebody from your contact patronizes the service of this website. So you see, you get paid a lot of money by the time you're successful referring people to this website.
Before I go ahead with other websites, please take a time out to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways to make money online. I really appreciate that.
The next website is called Freshbooks. This is a site that helps you to manage the accounting part of your business, and it has an easy way for you to like keep track of your accounting from your income to your expenses and every payment you made while you're running your business. So if you're willing to, or if you have the audience or means to promote this particular website, you just come down here to the bottom like you did to the other ones, and then you look for affiliate program here. You click this, and once it opens, you see it says earn up to $200 per sale. So if you're able to get people to patronize this service, it means your target should be business owners. And then you tell them the need for them to patronize the service of this site. You have to make sure you understand in full how the website works. Then how it works is you get paid commission. So you get paid for every trial, and if they upgrade eventually, you also get paid for whatever the people you bring do on this site. So you earn up to $10 per free trial, up to $200 per paid trial. That is if they subscribe, and then you get awarded for any visitor who clicks your affiliate links and begins a free a trial within 120 days. So reach out to our partner support team anytime for assistance or advice. So it has everything you need to get started and to understand how the affiliate program works proper. So you go through this website and promote their service. The last website is called Grammarly. This website is quite very good because I personally use it. It helps you, especially if you're into writing. It helps with correction of your grammar, your spellings, everything that has to do with writing. It also has some AI features that can help you generate posts, generate write-ups. So here, if you're ready to promote or you're willing to promote this particular site, you come over here where it says affiliate, you click here, then it says earn big by promoting Grammarly. So become an affiliate today and earn commission for sending people. So you sign up in 60 seconds, place a banner and write a post to receive an activation bonus. You start earning big. So it means that they can actually pay your activation bonus once you start, like you sign up to become an affiliate. So you become an affiliate, you click here and then you fill the necessary forms. So here are the other benefits you stand to gain once you sign up to become an affiliate. It has high conversion rate of 20 to 30%, an activation bonus, a cross-device tracking, extra generous 90-day cookie window, regular performance incentive, and world-class affiliate support. So it's not just about the money, they have other benefits you stand to gain once you're an affiliate for this particular site.
So now that we have known the website, now we're going to talk about how to generate traffic to be able to promote the affiliate links we're going to be getting from this website. You also need to know that there are websites that actually help to generate traffic for you. But before I share on this website, I would also want to mention that there are other ways where you can promote these affiliate links, especially when it comes to your social media platforms, places like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram platforms, Pinterest, wherever you may be that has audience. Depending on the product you're promoting, you can make a post promoting that particular service or product and attaching the affiliate link there. These are ways where you can get traffic to patronize the link that you have shared. Also, if you have a website or a blog, it's a huge advantage because you get to share these links by the time you make posts that are related to the product you're going to be promoting. So all you have to do is to be able to create a content, whether written content or visual content, that you can use to include the affiliate link to and then promote it while you're sharing the content with your audience. So, but let me share with you a website that can actually help generate traffic for you to promote your affiliate link.
So the website is called Simple Traffic. So this website is a place where you get to promote your affiliate links. They claim to have real visitors, people coming on this website. So it has a free trial, but then it's also good to note that this website is not completely for free, but you can start off with a free trial. So to get started, you click here to start a trial and then you fill out the form. So you can put your link here, but the interesting part is the plan. You have to make sure you know about the plan. So if you want 500 visitors per day, you pay $15, 1,000 visitors, $28. So the higher the visitors you want, the higher the money. So once you're done, you create subscription. So if you don't have money to patronize the service of this website, you can use free platforms like your Facebook. You must have audience there, your Instagram, Pinterest, even your YouTube channel, but you have to make sure you create a content that's related to the product or service you're promoting so that you incorporate it and promote it as you're making your content.
If you're in a very difficult situation and you don't really have anywhere to get help financially, you might want to check out this video where I explain about websites that you can get financial assistance from people through crowdfunding so that you know if it's something that would work for you. Please do well to like and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one.